We have a Thanksgiving template of color by numbers, and I think there's like 10 images. I'll go back and show you the images at the end of this. Yeah, there's 10, but I just want to show you how it works. The students are given this, um, blank color by numbers worksheet, and with it, they also get this, which is the question and answer worksheet. So you, as the TPT seller, all you have to do is go to the first box and type your question in here. Then there's 4 answers that correspond, and make sure you put the correct answer to your question there. And of course, then you just go down, pay careful attention, close attention to the letters because they rotate, so you don't want to be deleting them and then adding them back in. Now, there are 2 versions of the answer sheet for each image. And I give you this second one in case you want to use like graphs or diagrams, or if you're doing math and you need like charts or triangles or shapes or whatever, you have that option. And so this worksheet works better for that. This one works better for that. But you'll see this worksheet, each answer option only has 3 answers instead of 4, which are over here. So I just wanted to make you aware of that. Now, one other thing you can do is you can go in on some of the ones where the letters aren't so small, like this one, and you can change these to be words or equations or something. So instead of doing A, you could do 5 plus 2, and another A could be 6 plus 1. And then down here for the answer down at the bottom, you would write 7 equals whatever color that is, brown, and go through it like that. So, or if you're doing like CVC words or sight words or whatever, numbers, colors, obviously you don't have a lot of room to do that. So that's why I kind of keep it multiple choice, but there is an option to do that. And I do that with my math worksheets as well. I have just the equations at the bottom, and these are all numbers, and the numbers correspond to a color. Okay, so these are, okay, of course, these are Thanksgiving templates. So this is what they look like. Don't forget to I did put at the top, it's hard to see on this, but there is name and date, but don't forget to put your company name down here, like a copyright by or whatever. So these are the images that you get inside of this. It comes as a PowerPoint, so it's inside a Google Drive. You download it and open it in PowerPoint. I will tell you, a lot of times actually, this one probably should work in Google Slides, but sometimes some of the orientation gets messed up. This last one here is crazy. I don't know that we'd ever do it, but I made it, so I was like, I'll add it. So this is the Thanksgiving templates. I hope that you use these and add this to your Thanksgiving bundle.